Okay, so I'm back. Just wanted to mention something before I button this side up because so I went through and cleaned this up, put a little bit of anti-seize around the hub just so that it doesn't get stuck here. A little bit of anti-seize on the landings for the shoes. Now this is where it comes a little reminder to be meticulous. Don't skip ahead like I just did, because I was noticing, you got my new springs here, retainers, and then guess what I found in my box of parts? I had two of these springs and I only need one, which means that that other blue spring belongs on the other side. So I'm gonna have to take apart the other side again and put that little blue spring in there, because otherwise that thing's gonna make noise. And well, we don't want that to happen. A good way to prevent that from happening again is take everything apart, lay it out on the ground side by side, old parts, new parts, and then that way you won't forget where everything goes, and you won't forget to put anything back in. Another good idea too is to just take a picture. Probably got your smartphone on you. Take a picture of what you're doing, and then when you're putting it back together, take a look at the picture, and you got a nice handy reference to what it should look like.